Introducing the all-new Daikin Fit, a residential HVAC system designed with a space-saving side discharge cabinet and equipped with a quiet, energy-efficient inverter compressor. The Daikin Fit is a revolution from the big traditional systems of yesterday. While the constant on and off of a traditional system can be disruptive, the Daikin Fit system has an operating noise as low as 55 dBA due to its variable speed inverter compressor. Because of its side discharge design, the Daikin Fit takes up much less space than traditional systems, allowing you to reclaim your space any way you see fit. The Daikin Fit system is made up of the newly designed outdoor units, Daikin's communicating gas furnaces with 80 to 90% efficiencies, all new aluminum evaporator coils with electronic expansion valves, Daikin's premium air cleaner, and the new Daikin 1 Plus smart thermostat. To help the Daikin Fit unit withstand the elements, the coils have been coated with bluefin corrosion coating. At the heart of the system is a proprietary inverter swing compressor, utilized for enhanced efficiency, reliability, and low sound levels. For additional efficiency and sound reduction compared to traditional non-inverter units, the Daikin Fit leverages a variable speed DC fan. Acting as the brain of the system is an inverter printed circuit board that ensures efficient operation to deliver comfort inside the home. The new Daikin Fit heat pump is designed to provide efficient performance in different climate conditions. The unit supports dual fuel flexibility, switching between gas or heat pump heating at chosen temperatures. The Fit heat pump model features the same compact footprint as its AC counterpart, with variable speed inverter technology and an advanced water-shedding drain pan with optional drain pan heater. It delivers efficient performance up to 18 SEER and 10 HSPF. For additional comfort, an intelligent defrost mode helps prevent frost and ice from building up in cold climate conditions, providing longer heating time by reducing defrost operation. If needed, a second heating source, such as an electrical heater or gas furnace, can be activated during defrost. Compatible with the Daikin 1 ecosystem, the new DVFEC air handler partners perfectly with the Daikin Fit heat pump system. This advanced multi-position air handler comes with an electronic expansion valve and 7mm all-aluminum evaporator coil to enhance indoor comfort, deliver outstanding heat transfer, and help improve refrigerant coil volume ratio between the indoor and the outdoor unit. To boost efficiency, a variable speed electrically commutated motor, or ECM, provides gradual startup and shutdown for unobtrusive operation with lower energy consumption compared to a standard efficiency motor. The Daikin Fit outdoor units connect to the full range of Daikin efficient communicating gas furnaces with upflow, downflow, and horizontal connections available. In addition to the furnace, the Fit system takes advantage of the new Daikin evaporator coils, which come standard with their own printed circuit board. All aluminum coils, and an electronic expansion valve, which has a wide operation range and precise expansion efficiency. To further elevate the air around you, our Daikin Premium Air Cleaner features a MERV 15 filter that removes more than 87% of particles, down to 0.3 microns. Acting as the hub of the Daikin Fit system, the new Daikin 1 Plus smart thermostat is unlike any thermostat on the market today. This intelligent next-generation thermostat brings full two-way communications to Daikin HVAC communicating systems, offering state-of-the-art design, smart thermostat technology, and intuitive home air management. All of this with an outdoor unit that is much smaller than the old traditional system, measuring in at only 36.6 inches wide, 27.4 inches tall, and 13.8 inches deep for the small cabinet, and 37 inches wide, 39 inches tall, and 12.6 inches deep for the large units. The Daikin Fit fits your budget, fits your space, fits your comfort, fits your life. Daikin, Air Intelligence.